people, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna compare two popular ad spy tools, and it's Minea versus PiPiADS. We're gonna compare them in terms of pricing, usability, features and much more. We're gonna give you some pros, some cons and give you a clear conclusion at the end. So let's dive into my computer and we go compare Minea versus PiPiADS. Let's go! Yes, people, welcome in my computer, and we're gonna start directly with the features. And the features of Minea. The Minea ad database, it has an extensive library of ads across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and more. Ad analytics, detailed analytics and ad performance, including engagement metrics, reach and audience demographics. Trend analysis, identify trending ads and products in real time. Competitor analysis, tracking competitors' ad strategies and see what's working for them. Filters and search, advanced filtering and search options to find specific types of ads. Well, then on the other hand, we have PiPiADS. PiPiADS has a database, of course, and the comprehensive collection of ads, especially strong in TikTok ads. Ad analytics, in-depth analytics of ad performance, focusing on metrics like views, likes and shares. Creative analytics break down ad creatives to see what elements contribute to high performance. Spy on competitors, detailed insight into competitors' ad strategies. And audience insights, information on audience demographics and targeting. Alright, we're gonna talk about the pricing. Minea, free plan, basic access with limited features, of course. Well, we have the starter plan of $49 per month and includes access to most features with some limitations. And we have the pro plan of $99 per month, and that includes full access to all features and priority support. Then we have, on the other hand, we have PiPiADS, and PiPiADS has a free plan with limited access with basic features. It has a pro plan for $77 per month, includes full access to all features and data. It has an advanced plan for $155 per month, offers more extensive features and higher user limits. It has an enterprise plan, and that is a custom pricing for large teams and extensive usage, and we send you to the website for prices for the enterprise plan. Alright, some usability. Minea offers a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. The dashboard is well organized, making it simple to find and analyze ads. The tool also provides helpful tutorials and customer support to assist new users. On the other hand, we have PiPiADS, and PiPiADS features a clean and intuitive interface that is straightforward to use. The platform is designed for quick searches and in-depth analysis, with comprehensive filters and search options. PiPiADS also offers customer support and resources to help users to get the most out of the tool. It's also important to know something about the data accuracy. Data accuracy of Minea, it provides accurate and up-to-date data, leveraging advanced algorithms to ensure the reliability of ad performance metrics. The tool continuously updates its database to reflect the latest ads and trends. On the other hand, we have PiPiADS, and PiPiADS is known for its precise and extensive data collection, especially for TikTok ads. The platform uses sophisticated technology to gather and analyze ad data, ensuring high accuracy and relevance. PiPiADS' large database is updated frequently to include new ads and metrics. Okay, we come to the pros and the cons. And we start with Minea, of course, and Minea has 4 pros. And the first pro is affordable pricing plans, real-time trend analysis, extensive competitor tracking, and user-friendly interface. Then it has also some cons. We go over to 2 of the cons of Minea. Limited feature in the plans, in the free plans, of course, and a smaller ad database compared to PiPiADS. Alright, then we have some pros of PiPiADS. PiPiADS comprehensive ad database, especially strong for TikTok. So if you want to search especially on TikTok, you can better choose PiPiADS. Detailed audience insights, powerful search and filter options, and accurate and reliable data. Well, then we have some cons, of course, and PiPiADS has some higher pricings and limited free plan features. Okay, so in conclusion, PiPiADS and Minea both offers robust tools for ad discovery and ad analysis, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Choose Minea if you're looking for an affordable ad spy tool and if you want real-time trend analysis and competitor tracking. If you prefer a user-friendly interface and if you are starting out or have a limited budget. Okay, then on the other hand, choose PiPiADS if you need access to a large and comprehensive ad database, especially for TikTok, and if you require detailed audience insights and advanced analytics. And choose PiPiADS if you have a higher budget and need extensive features. Then you also can choose PiPiADS if you are focused on TikTok ads and in-depth ad analysis. Well, the ultimate choice between Minea and PiPiADS will depend on your specific marketing needs, budget and experience level. Both platforms offer valuable features that can enhance your ad campaigns and competitive strategy. We want to thank you for watching this video, and we hope that this detailed comparison of Minea versus PiPiADS has helped you decide which ad spy tool is the best for your needs. If you found today's video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss on any related content we create in the future.